Wave propagation of TL signal. The process of communication involves the transmission of information from one location to another. As we have seen, modulation is used to encode the information onto a carrier wave, and it may involve analog or digital methods. It is only the characteristics of the carrier wave which determines how the signal will propagate over any significant distance. This chapter describes the different ways that electromagnetic wave propagates. Some basics. An electromagnetic wave is created by a local disturbance in the electric and will propagate onwards in all directions. If the medium in which it is propagating, air for an example, is the same everywhere, the wave will spread out uniformly in all directions. Some real life applications. First, ray tracing. Second, 6 ray models. Third, 10 ray models.
Now we learned about the wave propagation TL signal. Let's understand the objective behind this experiment. The objective is to study and understand the concept of two-ray ground reflection model and free space path loss model. Expected outcome is to the students must be able to apply the concept of two-ray ground reflection model and free space path loss model to make the communication system more reliable and economical. Now let's jump into the code. Now we change the value of r so that we get a different values. As you can see, the LPMDB list and LPFDB list, they are different, and we change the r as well. Now let's see what the output is. Now we can see on the x-axis, that is, we have distance in kilometers. On the y-axis we have the path loss. Now we can observe that the red graph, that the path loss is independent of the distance, but in the second case, that is the blue graph, the path loss increases with the distance. So we use these in ray tracing, and we use this in 6 ray models and 10 ray models, and the power decays as fourth power of distance. So path loss is independent of frequency, and the received power is also proportional to ht square and hr square, meaning if height of any antenna is increased, received power increases. And we conclude. Thank you.